welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about how you can make money online with $0. Small disclaimer, you do need 20 cents just for your listing, but other than that you do not need any money to get started. All you need is your laptop, Wi-Fi, and a free Canva subscription. This is what I would do if I had no money and I wanted to make passive income online. So if you do find this video helpful or provides you any value at all, please hit the like button and subscribe, as it really helps our channel. We're trying to provide as much value as we can by putting out these types of videos every week. The beautiful thing about Etsy is that you need very little money to get started. The only thing you have to pay for is 20 cents per listing, and then they add 20 cents on top of your listing every time you sell it. So it's super affordable, it's next to no money. This is what I would do if I was someone wanting to make money online, wanting to create passive income, because this is something you can do. You do it once and it makes you money passively while you sleep, which is obviously what everyone is working towards. So if you are someone like myself who likes writing or drawing or creating digital products, you can actually sell them online on Etsy, and that's what I do. I create digital Etsy products and I sell them online and I make money while I sleep. It's awesome. So I am in the spiritual and mental health niche. It's something that I'm actually very passionate about, and that's something that I would recommend, is getting into a niche or into a product industry that you are actually interested in. Otherwise you won't stick with it, which I have made that mistake in the past with previous businesses. So definitely pick something that maybe you already make, maybe you draw, and you can upload them and sell them as coloring pages on Etsy. So it's really awesome, especially if you're already creating things. Maybe you already create thank you cards or anything digital. You can sell it on Etsy. Someone will pay you for it. So this is the easiest way if you want to get started with making money online, but you have not a whole lot of savings behind you, or you don't know where to start. This is the perfect thing to start with. So I'm just going to bring up my personal shop. So like I said, I'm in the mental health and spiritual niche. I'm actually really passionate about writing these things. I used to suffer from extremely bad anxiety, and journaling's been a massive part of my healing and getting over that. So that's why I picked this, because it was something I already am interested in, something that's actually helped me. So I just shared my journal prompts and the personal files that I had already created, and my personal journal prompts that I have used that have worked for me. So and they've proven to be quite good sellers. I'm just going to screen record here. So I'm just on Etsy. This has been one of my best, and I'm now on the front page for this one, which is really great. You can see there's two of my personal listings that are on the front page for 365 journal prompts. And I worked really hard on these, and they're selling quite well. So this is my personal one. I've got really good, lots of reviews coming in. I've really spent a lot of time messaging and asking people to leave reviews. That's a huge part of Etsy performing well. You want your reviews. They're very, very valuable. So all you need in order to make money on Etsy is create an Etsy account, and then you need a Canva account as well. So I personally have a paid pro account, but you don't need it. A free account is totally fine. The beauty of this as well is that you can create multiple products, but then you can bundle them together to create different products. So for me, because I'm in this mental health niche, I've also created a bundle of everything that I've created, all of my journal prompts, my workbooks, my inner child workbook, shadow work prompts, everything I've bundled together to create a more expensive product. So you're only creating a product once, but then you're creating multiple listings with it, and that's making people want to buy the more expensive one because it includes everything. The other beautiful thing about this type of business is you don't have to worry about shipping or even sending out the files to your customers. Etsy will actually email and send the product, the digital download, to your customers. So So you let them know on your listing that this is a digital download, they purchase, and Etsy sends it for you, so you don't have to even think about it. I started this less than 3 months ago, just with some free time that I had. And I got my first sale in a matter of days. I can't remember exactly how many days it was, but it was very few. Got my first sale, and I've got sales every single day now since I started it. And I've already done 200 sales in less than 3 months. And this is with no paid advertising at all. I have not been paying for advertising. This has just been through, I've shared it a little bit on my personal Instagram, which is here below. And the rest has just been organically people finding my my listings through Etsy, pushing and advertising them for me. So it's also a really great thing to start if you have no money, no budget for marketing. This is one of the few platforms that actually advertise your listings for you, as opposed to starting a Shopify store or anything where you have to get all your traffic to come to you. Etsy actually promotes it for you. So much like Amazon or anything like that, Etsy is really good for starting if you have no budget for advertising. If you are someone that wants to make money online but you have no money to start, this is the best way. And in another video I'll share exactly how to create and optimize your Etsy listing to make sure that it sells and converts.